Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to my channel. This is Reshma and you all are watching English grammar. So today's my topic is how to use not only but also. And this topic is important for all the students. Means it doesn't matter you are studying in 5th standard or 10th standard or 12th standard. For all of us this is very important. So let us see where and how to use not only but also by a by an example. So if I say um, Meena refused coffee as well as tea. So instead of as well as, you have to use not only and but also. How and where? So you have to check it out. What is the different in this sentence? Meena means subject is same. Verb refused, verb also same. So what is the different one? And objects, yes, objects are different. Means first is coffee and second is tea, right? So whatever differentiate is there, before that only you have to use not only and but also. So this example would be Meena refused not only coffee but also tea. Understood? Fine. So now it's your turn. You have to revise this topic once and try to make many more examples. Thank you.